I didn't fight through everything I've faced just to stop here. I didn't push through storms, setbacks, doubts, and long nights just to reach a checkpoint and call it the finish line. Some people say, when I make it, I'll slow down. When I reach the top, I'll relax. But that's not how greatness works. That's not how champions are built. There is no final destination. There is no moment where winners decide they've done enough. When you hit a goal, you build a bigger one. When you climb a mountain, you search for a higher peak. When you reach a level you once dreamed of, you realize you're capable of even more. Because the real reward isn't the medal, it's the growth. It's the grind. It's the evolution of who you become along the way. It's the discipline you build, the strength you earn, the resilience you forge. I didn't come this far to only come this far. Every step I've taken prepared me for the next one. Every challenge sharpened me. Every setback taught me. Every victory reminded me that I'm just getting started. When I reach one milestone, I'm already preparing for the next, not chasing more things, chasing more growth, more discipline, more courage, more purpose, more of the version of myself I know I can become. I came this far so I could go further, so I could become someone capable of more than I ever imagined. This isn't the end, this is the warm-up. This is the foundation. This is the beginning of a much bigger story. I'm proud of what I've done, but I refuse to settle. Proud, but never satisfied. Proud, but always hungry. Proud, but pushing for more. Proud, but building the strength to break through every limit in front of me. A true winner doesn't chase titles, a true winner chases greatness. A true winner chases the version of themselves they haven't met yet. A true winner knows the journey is the real prize. Don't tell me the journey is over, I'm just getting warmed up. If the path wasn't difficult, the victory wouldn't mean anything. Pressure creates champions. Competition sharpens legends. Struggle builds the strongest spirits. If you reach your goal, raise the bar. If you reach the summit, find a new mountain. If you want to be the best, you must outwork the rest. The greats don't rely on talent alone. They train harder. They study longer. They endure more pain, more setbacks, more rejection, and still rise. They don't wait for motivation, they create it. They don't wait for opportunity, they build it. They don't wait for permission, they take action. If your opponent does 10, you do 11. If they do 11, you do 12. If they do 12, you do 15. You don't match their effort, you surpass it. You don't follow their pace, you set your own. Effort is the equalizer. Effort is the magic. Effort is the difference between almost and unstoppable, between good and legendary, between dreaming and achieving. And when life knocks you down, when everything seems designed to break you, that's when your heart steps in. That's when your spirit says, not today. That's when you rise with fire in your chest and strength in your soul. That's when you prove to yourself that you're built for more. If you want more than most, you must do more than most. Work harder, work smarter, learn deeper, grow faster, get up one more time than anyone else is willing to. This is your journey. This is your fight. This is your moment to push past limits and rewrite what you thought was possible. This is where you transform from who you were into who you were meant to be. You didn't come this far to only come this far. You came this far to go further than you ever imagined, and you're only getting started.